Today I'm testing the North Face Borealis for size, packing comfort and water resistance. No theory, just real use. Let's start with the back panel. The Borealis uses the FlexVent suspension system, certified by the American Chiropractic Association, so it's designed for all-day comfort. And yes, there is a built-in whistle on the sternum strap, similar to what you see on a lot of Osprey packs. The layout is pretty straightforward. A front compartment, a large main compartment, a separate laptop compartment, and a small fleece-lined pocket on top. Alright, let's start packing. I'm packing this for a 1-week trip, and I'll go through each compartment properly as I pack. Starting with the laptop compartment. This is a 16-inch laptop and it fits in here perfectly without feeling tight. Another important detail is the bottom protection. The laptop compartment is suspended, so it doesn't rest directly on the bottom of the bag. Next up is the main compartment. Just look at how spacious this main compartment is. It easily fits a large packing coupe, a smaller one, slippers, and a clear liquids pouch for carry-on. Okay, moving over the front compartment. This front compartment is more about organization. I'm placing a notebook, a pen, my passport case, wallet, tissues, and a few small hygiene essentials in here. There is an extra top compartment here. It's small, fleece-lined, and fits my sunglasses perfectly. And from here, moving on the water bottle pockets. I'm using a 21-ounce bottle here, and this feels like the most practical size, especially when the bag is fully packed. In other pocket, I'm placing a travel umbrella, and it fits well and stays in the place without falling out. Everything packed, it's nice to see that the bag can stand on its own. And now I'm using the front Bungee compression system to hold a jacket on the outside. And the bottom, the compression straps give another option. I'm using them for a jacket here, but a yoga mat would fit just as easily. When it comes to security, all the zippers on this backpack are from YKK, which is always good to see. Looking at the laptop compartment first, there's a small built-in loop here that lets you add a lock, which can be useful when traveling. On the main compartment, the zipper pulls are larger and can be brought together, so a small external lock can be attached if needed. And the front compartment is a bit more secure in that sense. The zipper pulls themselves can be locked directly together with a lock without relying on an extra. Next, I'm doing a quick water resistance test. I'm spraying the entire backpack, paying extra attention to the zippers. After a few minutes, I'll check how everything looks, open up all the compartments, and see if any water got inside. A few minutes later, I'm opening everything up. Water resistance isn't a strong point here, but the inside stayed dry with just a bit of dampness around the zipper edges. Light rain for 10 to 20 minutes should be fine, but heavy rain, is there a rain cover, makes sense. So the Borealis bag is fully packed. I put it on, adjust everything, clip the chest strap and buckle the day strap. Walking around and moving it with it feels comfortable and secure on the body. The back panel feels good and the weight doesn't bounce around. The only real downside is that there's no luggage pass-through, so attaching it into a suitcase isn't really an option. Not a deal breaker, but sometimes to keep in mind for travel. If you want a dedicated travel backpack, this isn't it. But if you want one backpack what works every day and doesn't fall apart when you travel, this makes sense.